Hey, do you like that kind of visual? Do you know that I use Copilot to create it? It's just amazing. So let's play the visual. So it's a population of the United States from 90 to 2020. The evolution, you can see that we see what state is the most populated per year. We can see every year. I don't know why this is not moving, but we can see that California became the most populated state in the middle of 1950 something. I don't remember when it was. It's pretty cool. It's still growing apparently. I'm not sure if the data is always correct here. And I did that with Copilot. It's just to show you it might not have triggered all the good data. But when you have the data, you can do that. So what I had a long conversation because I tried to fine tune this. And I started with, tell me what you can generate. And I saw that it could generate things. It didn't understand my question first, and then I asked the question, I want to know what type of file, and I saw that it can create visual graphs and network. I said, oh, maybe I could try something. So I said, generate a graph representing US map. So first I tried it with a map, and it gave me a map of the US. It worked. So here it is. So we can watch this and show you what it did. And obviously, since Copilot is not very good at retrieving a lot of information, it didn't give me all the states, but it gave me 10 of them. And I also have this interactive map changing the color of the population for between during the last 20 years. So I just want to show you that, by trying that, you can fine tune what you want to create. I refined everything, download the file generated, generating an HTML page, and that's how I get the last result. Which was, I told him, to first he was moving each state individually, and I said, change the ranking. So I want to see that moving up and down, just like what you see on Facebook or social media when they compare industries or whatever. I found it very cool to be able to do that without any technical knowledge, any background in that kind of charting. The data is probably not totally correct because I just prompted, but if I was feeding with an Excel file with a lot of dates, it probably gonna rely on those dates instead of trying to query information from internet and probably struggling with this information. And that's everything is done through Python here. So it's generating Python. It's just amazing. So try to build some graphs, and they can be interactive, and they can be a timeline, and you can see what it can do. It's just awesome. Hope this was insightful.